Hello and welcome in my tutorial series on Python. In this lecture, we will discuss how we can download and install Python. First, you need to open Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome, you need to enter Python. So when you will enter at the top, you can find the link of official website of Python. Click on this link. This is the official homepage of the Python. Now click on download. So you can see here Python 3.10.7. This is the latest version of the Python. When you will click on it, it has been downloaded. Now click on this place where the Python is downloaded. You need to click on at this place, or either you can go to download, and in the download you can find this is the Python 3.10.7. When you will double click on it, we need to double click. Okay, so this pop-up will open, and install launcher for all users, and next we have option add Python 3.102 path. We will add the path also. Either you can click the top install now, or you can click add the customize installation. So we will do here customize installation, and there are several features in the customize installation. First is documentation. This will help Python documentation. We can easily find when we will install by clicking this one. Pip is used for install the Python packages. Then we have idle. This will develop. Idle will help to develop the environment for the Python, and we can easily execute the commands for the Python. And next we have Python test suite, and at the end we have Python launcher. Now we need to click all these are required for the Python. Now do next. There are some advanced options. First click this one, install for all users is also very important. Then you can see customize installation location. If you are interested to change, you can browse from this place. Any location you want to change, you can do, but here we are not changing the installation location. We need installation of the Python in the C drive. So now do install. When you will click on it, then do yes. Okay. Setup in progress. It will take a few seconds for the installation. It will take always less than 1 minute in the installation. About 1 minute is required to install the Python in the system. Yes, now close it. Now type here at this place cmd, and this is the command prompt. When you will click on it, you can find out the Python version from at this place. Type here Python /version. When you will enter, you can see that Python has been installed, and the version is 3.10.7. Now if you want to open the Python, click here, and at the top you can see Python 3.10 module docs is there. Then we have idle Python. So if you want to open, click idle Python, and this is the console of the Python. So here we will check very first statement we are using very first simple statement here, which is print. I am entering here Meher Chand. This is my name, and when you will enter, it will print. So this is the very simple to use, and one statement has been used at this place. Okay, now if you can see, if you want to open new file, either you can click at this place, or you can use a shortcut key Ctrl+N. From this place you can edit the file. Ctrl+Z, you can do undo. Then we have cut to copy paste. All the options are available here. And this is the shell view, last restart, debug. Here are the options. Configure idle. You can configure, you can customize according to your choice. You can replace the font face. You can select Arial Black is there. The various font faces are there, but usually I am using here only Arial. So this is my choice. If you want to increase font size, you can do from this place. Okay, I am using here 25. If you want to bold, you can do bold or unbold. Here is highlights, how the code will appear. Okay, now you will apply and then do OK. If you want to zoom height, you can do Alt+2. By using Alt+2, you can zoom height. You can see, observe the window. Okay, this is due to Ctrl+2. Ctrl+2. Yes, by using Ctrl+2, we can maximize the size of the window. So I hope this will help you to learn how we can install the Python. In the next lectures, we will install the different type of libraries and packages. Thank you very much to see this lecture till the end.